Wagwan everybody, welcome to the channel. It's a girl, Carol. If you're new here, welcome. So guys, we are coming live from Jamaica. Yes. Why I'm saying we are coming live from Jamaica, we have to try this Jamaican recipe for real. I love Jamaican cooking. I love it so much. So I have this one recipe that we have to try together. Then you're gonna rate me. Yes, Jamaican people, have I represented you well? If I've done so, kindly hit that like button, subscribe to join this amazing family, and don't forget to share with your friends. So let's go straight to the cooking. So let's wash our cabbage first. Yeah. So we are here to wash our cabbage.
Mommy,
Yes.
what's the other?
Yes, cabbage.
I need the money.
So guys, we are here to wash our cabbage. Please allow me to wash, then I come back because I don't have somewhere I can put my camera. So let me wash, then I come back. Yes.
But, yeah,
And here is my knife. So let's do this. So now let's chop our cabbage. And I've seen they chop big slices, so that is what I'm going to do. Let us do the same thing. We finally have our cabbage here. I'm going to put it in a sufuria cooking pot. Yeah, here in Kenya we call it a sufuria. So let me bring it here because I'm just going to do my cooking here where I am. Yeah. So let me bring the cooking pot. Okay, so I'm back with my sufuria. This is what we call sufuria, the traditional one here in Kenya, but people are now using the modern one, but I still have this one. Yeah. So let's put our cabbage here. I think that way you can all see. So, oh my god, this cabbage is a lot. I don't think if I'm going to use all of it, as you see, it's very small, so I'm going to leave this. I'll put in fridge, then I'll cook later. So let's add our ingredients here. Let's add our ingredients. I hope you're all seeing. I'm going to start with my onion. I think this one is enough. Yeah. Oh, let me show you first what I have. I have, how is this one called? I've forgotten the name. Then we have our carrot, onion. I have my onion, my tomato here. Then I have my salt, and I have my blue band. Yeah. So my baby wants some. Let me give him this. So here, oops. So here we have it. Let me try and mix it. Okay, here it is. As I told you guys, I'm going to cook from here while seated. Yeah. So here we have. Before I start, let me take some cubes. Wow, thank you. I also have some cubes. I'll use 2 cubes. Yeah. So let's start the cooking. Yeah. So here is, I'm just trying to clean everything later. Let's cook first. Yeah, that one. So
Yep.
I'm letting it. Just putting on fire. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah.
Mommy.
Hmm?
What's a jaja?
Hmm?
Pole.
Pole for what? Okay guys. Let me add my cubes.
Mommy,
Yes.
I'm going to cook another jaja.
It is. Let me add the other one. Here's
Mommy, Mom,
Do you have this? No, baby. Do you have these cubes in Jamaica?
Mommy.
Okay, let's add our salt. Now, baby, wait.
I got chili.
Yes.
I got tomato. Mommy, I got chili. That's it.
Wait.
Come in.
Then, this one is still, no? I'm going to add my BB. I think this one is enough.
Eva chamo. Eva chamo Eva. Eva chamo Eva. Eva chamo.
Woo, it's too hot. Oh, wow. Wow, are you ready to see my cooking? Just love it. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. So I think it's ready. So guys, as you can see, here is our cabbage. I already love it. I already love it, guys. For sure. I love it. See, it is. Let me test. Yeah. So, guys, let's see. Here is our cabbage. Yeah, it is. Yeah, so let me try. Then see. Wow. I'm going to take like everything. Take pressure. I think that's it. Yeah. So let me Wow. 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 Kuja anje.
Ande.
Pitia huko. So I'm calling my baby to test. Guys, ni tamu. Wow. Wow. Hey. Nakupika cabbage. House. This is going to be my cooking from today. So if you come in my house, this is what you're going to get. If you're eating cabbage, this is what you'll get. Yeah. I love it. I love it. I love it. I don't like hohos, but for this one, because it's my first time, I'm going to rate it 10 over 10. Because I love it. Wow. So okay, that was it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please try it. We love it. If you are from Kenya, I know you have our style of cooking this cabbage,
Mommy.
but you have to try this style. It's so sweet. It's giving. You have to try it for sure. You have to try it. So kindly, if you like the video,
Mommy.
he wants more.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy.
You see, he wants more.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy.
I see. You want the whole plate?
Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
So kindly like the video, share with your friends, let them know this recipe, and also don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed it. I will really appreciate. It's one way of supporting this channel. So see you in the next one. Thank you to our Jamaican family. So thank you so much guys for watching till this end. See you in the next one. Bye.